The little boy inventor, from rocket to riches, Jamie's million-dollar idea. Watch as a 6-year-old boy named Jamie goes from a simple idea, a rocket ship that turns into a race car, to manufacturing his creation and making millions of dollars with his one incredible idea. It started with a simple question and a lot of trial and error. Jamie's journey might have ended there, but one day he discovered Invent With Me, a YouTube channel hosted by Grant, an inventor and mentor to dreamers everywhere. Through Grant's guidance, Jamie joined the Patreon-supported Discord server, gaining access to a supportive network of inventors, designers, and entrepreneurs. Jamie reached out to Dan Engerer, the founder of Brainchild Engineering, for help transforming his concept into a polished prototype. From engineering and sourcing to logo design and crowdfunding, Jamie leaned on the Patreon community's expertise to navigate every step of the process, with Dan guiding the technical aspects of the prototype. With the advice of the Patreon community and the polished prototype created by Brainchild Engineering, Jamie launched a successful Kickstarter campaign, raising over $35,000 in funding. The Patreon community didn't just help Jamie build his product, they also taught him how to market and sell it. From Shopify to Amazon, fulfillment to finance, Jamie learned the ropes with their support. It all started with a question, some cardboard, and the inspiration I found from Invent With Me and Grant's incredible advice. With the technical expertise of Dan Engerer and the amazing community on the Patreon server, I turned my dream into reality. From a 6-year-old dreamer to a world-changing inventor, Jamie proved that imagination, persistence, and the right guidance can make anything possible.